Hello dear students, in the previous class we learned multiplication tables from 1 to 10, right? So in this class let us learn how to multiply the numbers using multiplication table. 2 into 5 is equal to how much? Students, tell me the table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. How much? 2 fives are 10. When we multiply 2 and 5, we will get 10. Then 6 into 7 is equal to how much? 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are how much? 42. So 6 into 7, that is equal to 42. Then 9 into 6 is equal to how much? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54. So 9 into 6, that is equal to 54. Then 5 into 8 is equal to how much? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are how much? 40. So 5 into 8 is equal to 40. Like this, using multiplication table, we can multiply the numbers. Multiplication with one digit without carrying. 23 into 3. In 23, this is ones place and this is tens place. First we have to multiply the ones place number with this 3. In ones place we have 3. So 3 threes are how much? 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. We get 9 and that 9 should be written in ones place. Okay, then we have to multiply tens place number with this 3. In tens place we have 2, so multiply 2 with this 3. 3 twos are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we get 6 when we multiply 3 by this 2. And that 6 should be written in tens place. So we get 69 as a product when we multiply 23 by this 3. And here 42 into 2, this is ones place, this is tens place. We have to multiply ones place number by this 2. After we have to multiply tens place number by this 2. Okay. 2 twos are how much? 2 twos are 4 and that 4 should be written in ones place. Okay. And in tens place we have 4. So 2 fours are 8 and that 8 should be written in tens place. We get 84 as a product. Then 21 into 4. This is ones place. this is tens place. First we have to multiply number which is in ones place with this 4. In ones place we have 1. 4 ones are 4, and in tens place we have 2. So multiply this 2 by this 4. 4 twos are how much? 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. We get 84 after multiplying 21 by this 4. Okay, have you understand, students? Like this we can multiply one digit numbers without carrying. Multiplication with one digit with carrying. 26 into 2 is equal to how much? In 26 this is ones place and this is tens place. First we have to multiply the number which is in ones place with this 2. In ones place we have 6. So 2 6 how much? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10 and 2 6 are 12. So we get 12 and write 2 in ones place and carry this 1. Then we have to multiply tens place number by this 2. 2 twos are 4. For that 4 we have to add this carried 1. 4 plus 1, that is 5. We get 52 after multiplying 26 by this 2. This is ones place and this is tens place. First we have to multiply ones place number by this 4. So 4 nines are 36. We get 36. 6 should be written in ones place. Then 3 carry over. Then we have to multiply tens place number by this 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus this carried 3. 4 plus 3 how much? 7. So we get 76 as a product. Then multiply 13 by this 7. This is ones place and this is tens place. 7 threes are how much? 21. We get 21. 1 should be written in ones place. Then 2 carry over. Then in tens place we have 1. 7 ones are 7. For that 7 we have to add this 2. 7 plus 2 how much? That is 9. We get 91 as a product. 2 girls can sit on a bench. There are 6 benches in a classroom. How many girls can sit on 6 benches? ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಬೆಂಚಸ್ಗಳಿವೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದಾದರೆ ಒಟ್ಟು 6 ಬೆಂಚಸ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು ಎಂಬುದನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಈಚ್ ಬೆಂಚ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದಾದಂತಹ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರೆಷ್ಟು? 2. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ದೆನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಚಸ್, ಒಟ್ಟು ಇರುವಂತಹ ಬೆಂಚಸ್ಗಳು 6. Total number of girls on 6 bench. We have to find out this. For that we have to multiply 2 by this 6. 2 into 6. 6 twos are how much, students? 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. So 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. So there are 12 girls can sit on 6 benches. Have you understand, students? I hope you all are clear about today's class. Thank you.